Okay, I'm going to just do a quick how I would find an article if I was trying to find one for my article review. Just generally also how I would find an article if I know the journal and I want to go right to that exact article. So what I would usually do is I would go to the library and then when I got to the library, instead of doing one of those all searches, I'd actually want to search under more, and then I'd want to search under journal title search, because I know the exact journal that I want, and then I would actually plug it in. There it is, Reading Teacher. And I'd search that. And most journals will be in the digital collection if they are up to a year behind us. So there's usually, I can't remember what it's called, there's a special word for it, but we're not allowed to actually get it if it was like just within the last 12 months. But then once that time has passed, then we can get them all. So it should have all of them. And then I'm actually a big fan of Academic Search Complete. So I would go there. And look at that, it comes up with my login. And this is pretty important if you want to make sure that you're actually logged in properly, because if you do not get asked to be logged in, oh, that's interesting, then you may not be logged in properly, and that you may be getting this like, oh, you need to have, oh, now you're going to see my password. That's no good. Hang on a second. Okay, so now when you are logged in, you'll see all those journal articles by the year, and then so what I would do is I would end up choosing the year that I want, and then if I happen to know the volume, then I can go right for it. And then I can find the actual article. So the thing that I was saying before is that make sure that you're logged in properly, because otherwise you may get something that says, oh, you need to pay $30 for this, and I do not want anybody paying any money. The library subscribes to these things for good reasons. Okay, I hope that helps. Thanks. Bye.